Welcome! If you've ever found yourself distracted by Pinterest chat notifications and just need a little peace for an hour, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to mute Pinterest chat for 1 hour with the latest steps so you can focus on what matters most without missing out on important messages later. Let's jump right in. First, open up the Pinterest app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and tap the inbox icon. This is where all your chats and messages are stored. Now, scroll through your inbox and select the chat you want to mute. Maybe it's a group that's extra active or just a friend who loves sending pins at all hours. Tap on that chat to open the conversation. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see 3 dots stacked vertically. Go ahead and tap those 3 dots. This will open up a menu with several options for managing your chat settings. From the list of options, tap on Notification. This is where you control how and when you get notified about new messages in this chat. Now, you'll see a few different mute options. To mute the chat for just 1 hour, tap on Mute for 1 hour. Once you select this, you won't receive any notifications from that chat for the next 60 minutes. After the hour is up, notifications will automatically resume, so you won't miss anything important in the long run. And that's it. You've successfully muted a Pinterest chat for 1 hour. This is perfect for when you need to concentrate, get some work done, or just take a short break from notifications. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on managing your social media notifications and making the most of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.